Welcome back to Monster Hunter Diaries, where I'm a choose a quest this time.
It's the Monster Hunter Diaries, where Wolf's gonna choose a quest time. And we're gonna see if I can do it, cause I haven't downloaded any of the event quests.
There we go. So, dear Monster Hunter Diaries, I have itching to kill Kudapeko. A lot of them. A lot of them. So we're going to kill Kudapekos.
Maybe.
There you go. And then I'm
Oh shit, I can do it!
Alright, well.
I joined!
Yay.
I think I joined. Uh-oh. It's processing.
Processing.
Which means I probably have to download shit first.
Right.
Processing? Well, it processed, I guess. Yay, process!
Alright, there we go.
We're gonna fight little tiny Kurapeko. It's gonna be fun!
What she said.
Where is this one even? I did not.
I believe it's on the deserted island.
Okay.
A place we're all familiar with.
I didn't bring any dung bombs.
That's fine.
No, it's not.
They only throw 2 Kudapekos at you at a time, so.
I'm gonna get killed.
Possibly.
We don't even.
No. You don't even. I believe they start in 8, though. If
I'm
not
gonna
mistaken.
just go somewhere. I guess I could go to 8 instead. Stupid jaggies. Get out of here. Mushrooms.
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. You got me excited.
Never mind. They're both here in 7.
Oh, they're gonna kill me, but they're so cute. Come on!
Right?
I want
They're
you
so
to know.
small that I can just attack them both.
Oh, ow, ow, ow! They still take out like half my health.
Well, yeah, just because they're small doesn't mean they don't pack a punch.
Oh, but they look like they do not. By the way, I had Feline Weakener, so they're slightly weaker than normal.
Oh.
Just jumping around like a little pachoop. I can't take them seriously. That's not a good thing. Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm doing that lag thing again. Oh! And that almost dead thing. Stop fire! Thank you. No. You go away. I'm gonna... I forgot I had him locked on. It's fine.
How's that go?
I was trying to run, and then I clicked the camera to center it, and it went straight to where I wasn't trying to run to. Okay, I can do this. Let's do this thing. I'm back to not dead status. Oh! Was that you or them?
That was them.
They can do that?
Yeah. Or at least the Baleful one can. Or Crimson, sorry. The Baleful is the Giganox.
No! Oh, right in front of it. That's not good. That was... Have you ever dodged right in front of something?
All the time, in fact.
Oh, good. I don't know which one to center on.
Well, there's only one in the room now.
No, they're both still here.
No, there's only one in the room
this one
now.
wants to kill me. Crap. No, they're both still here because now it's gone. Keep it over there.
It's coming at you.
Shaz buttons. No, it was vomiting a cha-cha. We're okay. Did it like call that Jaggy in here?
It did.
The Jaggy that's not doing anything.
It's doing something.
No,
It's yelling.
it was doing nothing on my screen for a while.
And now it's being pretty.
Where'd it go?
It left us because it hates us.
Oh. I don't know which one I'm following. Went to 5, eh? Oh.
Looks like it went to 9.
Went to 9, eh? You're still taking my shortcut I was gonna take and be like, I'll meet you there, and be there already.
Yes, because I don't know the shortcuts.
No, you don't. Obviously. You didn't go the right way.
I still find it kind of funny that you can fall from like off a mountain and land.
Yeah, that's
like
like
that.
a pretty hefty distance too. Am I blue? Yes.
Am I blue?
I forgot which arrow I was. Okay.
Abadi abadai.
Are we gonna be able to do this in 50 minutes?
Yeah, I did it by myself in 15 minutes.
But you're super special.
Because I'm super special.
That's
Why
why
you're
you
here
are
me?
here with me, miracle baby, or something. The ending song to Chaos Head, people. Don't watch that. Actually, was that anime any good?
Yeah, I said? It was interesting.
I like Steins Gate. So I should like Chaos Head, but we'll see.
No, it was interesting. I wouldn't know if I'd say it was good, but it was definitely an anime.
This thing is walloping the hell out of me. Like every hit from any of these takes up half my health. I need better armor!
You get better armor.
Awesome. Ah!
Saved you.
Yeah. Oh, Limpy! Get it, get it, get it, get it, kill it, dead! Ow. Ow! Hit him so slowly because it's tiny. Ah, but it flies. Is it gonna go back to 8?
And that's usually where they go to sleep. That'll
Bugger.
probably stop in 5. Unless it goes to 10.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
The crimson one's in here, yay!
No. I mean, yes, it is, but no. It's gonna kill me. Oh.
And now the regular one is dead.
I was gonna say, did you just kill him?
And the crimson one doesn't even know what's going on. He's just over there, flying away.
Sparkly fragment. Why don't you kill this Ludroth?
I don't fight with Muja.
It's gonna do that to me. That's what I thought. Get out of here! Fucking Ludroth. Although we're close to home base, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a map.
Okay.
Also, the other Kurapeka moved.
Yeah, he went to 9.
Like, I know this area, but I'm gonna go sleep in the bed and get a map.
Okay.
Because I can.
I'll kill the crimson Kudapeko while you're away.
You haven't even, like, hardly damaged that one yet.
And I'm not saying you're gonna take forever.
Oh my god. I hate you a little.
If it's true.
No. Because I hate you a little.
Haters gonna hate.
Speaking of haters.
Hater master taters.
No, David Hater.
Oh. Replaced by Kiefer Sutherland. You know, that makes me wonder why, really.
They said something about making him like a...
But why Kiefer Sutherland on things?
Well, maybe he and Kojima worked together on something before. He's using him for mocap. He probably wanted to use Kiefer Sutherland as the mocap, and made that an excuse to change his voice too. You know?
Well, I mean, what was it? Nathan Drake has a different voice for, and a different mocap guy.
Yeah. Is that Troy Baker?
I believe Nolan North is
Oh yeah, Nolan North Jr.
the voice.
Troy Baker does a lot of mocap stuff though. So that's why I was thinking Troy Baker too. He is... What did he just... Oh, he was the dude from the new Bioshock. Ow. Hooker. Which anyone watching this probably already knows. Fucking! I wasn't even facing you, you whore! Sorry. I never fought
Monster Hunter rage.
It's a little bit. It's hard to take them serious when they're so tiny. And then they fucking rape you.
That's why you should watch out for children. They're so tiny
No,
that they will rape you.
no, none of that. Hey, supplies.
There you go, so now if you wanna...
Ow! I don't want it anymore. Ha! Didn't give me that time. I'm back. I'm getting supplies. I want 3 heals.
Then you go for the free heals.
Kill that thing.
That's the plan.
Okay. Boop. They are very cute when they're tiny. Deadly! But cute. Also, I'm all electrocuty.
Would you say that they're deadly cute?
No. And if these are weakened ones,
Well, the weakener doesn't always weaken. There's a chance to weaken.
Oh. Well, some bitch. Oh, it's getting all weird on me.
Yeah.
Like laggy weird.
Laggies are kind of weird.
Yeah, I got some sonic bombs now and some dung bombs. Sounds cool like that. I'm gonna go sleep again. Yeah, thud.
Indeed. Just that.
Okay, I'm gonna come back. Oh, you brought him into 5. How kind of you.
I didn't bring him in 5. He brought himself in 5.
I was trying to pay you a compliment.
I deny your compliments. Ow.
Do you have like electric unweakness armor on?
Well, this armor is weak to dragon and ice.
What? Oh, it's dead. Hooray! Also dead. Hooray!
I killed it on accident.
It's okay, I'll take it.
I know you will.
Well, okay, what are sparkly fragments? Because that's all we're getting.
As far as I'm aware, it's just for a mask that Cha-Cha needs.
You shitting me? I don't even have a Cha-Cha yet.
Well, get a Cha-Cha.
I was working on it, but then you're like, I want to film. And I'm like, okay.
I'm sorry. Sorry for trying to include you in my filmings.
Yeah, you bastard.
I'm just a terrible person.
I know.
See, there you go. We killed 2 of them in 13 minutes.
Where's another one? It popped up somewhere.
It's probably in 7 or 8. 'Cause I'm pretty sure they start in one of those 2 places.
It's I think it's another crimson one.
No, we just killed the crimson one.
Oh, there's only one?
Well, no, it goes crimson, or regular crimson, regular crimson.
Well, it looks... Maybe it's a regular one. I can't tell because it's like blackened out on my... now it's gone again. What the hell? Oh, I found it. No, it's a red one.
Oh, I got the regular one in here then.
Oh. It doesn't... I can't even target it. Why can't I target it?
I don't know.
Now I can target it. Oh Jesus, I shouldn't have done that. No, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away.
Oh, there's a cat in here. I was like, when did you shrink?
Why am I fighting this on my own?
I don't know. Why are you fighting it on your own?
Oh, where are you anyway?
I'm over an 8.
An 8?
Fighting a Kudapeko.
I'm gonna join you. Fuck this. So, to be fair, I was doing okay.
Well, then kill it.
No. Yeah.
Ow,
I guess
I'm
I
on
could have
fire.
paintballed it, shouldn't I? Oh well. It's too late to apologize.
But it's not too late to
Fucking
paintball.
cat, you dead. Dead, and your cat's cat is dead. And your...
Why such animosity towards cats?
I hate them. And they steal my
The
shit.
Kudapeko just...
Did it just topple off the cliff?
No, it killed the cat that stole one of my antidotes.
Nice. Wait, there's another cat around? Did I just kill the cat? Ow! What did it just do? I like ran at it, and then all of a sudden I was in the air and on fire. It doesn't seem right. I think it glitched out on me and then killed me.
Possibly.
Here, just keep fighting it over there.
I'm working on it. It's coming at you.
Yes, it is. Ah! Oh, jeez, it is glitching on me. And it just kind of like appears. It's scary when it does that.
Well, if it makes you feeling better, I just broke its face.
A little bit better.
And its other clacky clack. So now it has no clacky clack, and its face is broken. And now it's gonna try to do things.
It's gonna try and heal itself or something.
Except it healed us.
Oh, did it? Because we interrupted it?
Yep, and I saved you.
Hahaha, yeah, we'll go with that.
Hey, this Kudapeko was gonna kill you, but I saved you.
I know.
And it's got like a major hard-on for me at the moment.
I'm okay with this. Usually they have hard-ons for me.
You are a lady. That does make a little bit more sense.
Well, maybe this Kurapeko likes the men. I can't blame it. I like the men.
I can blame it. I don't like the men.
I was waiting for something. Ow!
Trying to save me?
I don't know. Where did it just go? Okay. Okay, stop that. Damn it! No, don't go away! Why you gotta go away?
Chacha's gonna do something.
Okay. Health recovery! I was already healthed.
I wasn't in danger of not health.
Jump off a cliff time!
Come, Cha-Cha, we need to cliff jump like
Ugh.
a boss.
I'm gonna just go ahead and kill this Ludroth.
That's no fun.
It's like
Ludroth
one
ever did to you?
Ludroth, and it's all just like, I'm gonna go and nip you when you're doing something dangerous. Nom nom. Oh, you were trying to dodge. Oh, too bad. And then I'm like, fucking Ludroth.
Indeed, you are like fucking...
Death to the Kuro! Wow. Yeah, we deathed it.
In fact, we deathed it.
Uh-oh.
Just in time.
No, I need to carve.
Don't worry, it's just sparkly fragments.
But I want them.
Oh crap, no wonder my sword's bouncing left and right.
Yeah, mine's low too.
Why didn't you tell me that mine needed sharpening?
Because you should just know. You're the hunter of monsters. Oh, ran the stems.
Oh, I missed.
You biffed it?
No, I just straight up whiffed it.
Both are good words. Alright! Let's do this thing again. Ah! Let's not do this thing that fast.
Like, he literally ran all the way from, like, the beginning of the zone to that end of the zone, like, I'm assuming after you.
How did it even know?
I don't know. But, like, it was pretty interesting.
Is the other Kurapeko buddy gone? Yeah, it's gone. It's okay, I got 2 sparkly fragments out of it. How many do you need for that mask? How many?
2.
Oh, well, then I have a lot more than
I was
I
gonna
need.
say, yeah, like, when I did this mission, I got 13 of them. So hopefully they'll do something with the sparkling fragments.
Booyah. Okay, run. Run!
That's right. Sword to your face.
No!
All the math you need.
No! Sword to the face, mother trucker. I'll protect you. I didn't protect you.
No. You didn't.
Ow! You didn't protect me either, though, so.
Well, I'm sorry. You didn't protect me first, so I couldn't protect you.
Fair enough. Uh-oh. I don't like that move.
Yeah, busted his face. So, like, how's your face doing? Oh, it's cool, man. I'm just busting you up.
Hey, I think it's a supply item out here. No! None of that! No, don't jump in front of him. Behind him. He's got to shake a tail feather. Did you get like rewards at the end of this that's actually Kurapeko crab?
I don't remember.
Okay. Ow! We got this down, finally, after 3 of them. Yeah. I come in and hit him, then you come in and hit him. Then I come in and hit him, then you come in and hit him. And we can't do it together, because then one of us saves the other. Don't you get what you... Arr! Did he drop a shiny?
Yep.
Ow! Where'd it go? Oh, it's like right there. Ah!
Ooh, indeed.
Ow! Shiny. Good move. Even their shinies are just sparkly fragments. Ow! I was trying to hit him. Oh. Back to 8!
Back to the future
I wish.
of 8.
Out of stams.
You don't need stamina.
Due to run.
No, you need legs to run.
No! You can run without legs.
How?
On your hands.
That's not running.
Well, what's it called then?
That's called handing.
No, it's not! No such thing as handing. Only running on your hands. It hasn't landed yet.
It's dead.
What? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I'm carving it.
No, it's not!
Do you not see me carving it here?
Now it just said objective complete.
Well, you're obviously suffering from some really heavy lag.
Seriously, like, that was weird. Because it wouldn't let me target it, and then it just kept not landing, and you weren't on the screen, and then it was over. All the sparkly fragments, all of them for me!
Alright.
We fought tiny little Kuropekos, and it was cute and fun, even though they were beating the shit out of me.
What she said.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next time on Monster Hunter Diaries.